What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do this fall hairstyle tutorial. I absolutely love the look of fish braids and I love accessorizing them with fall hats. I just think it pulls it all together and it looks so festive. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle right here, then just keep on watching because we're gonna get started. So before I do get into this, I do want to mention that this video is made in partner with Kiki Hair Extensions. It's not sponsored whatsoever, but they did send me a set of extensions to do a tutorial with, so I thought what better way than to kick off fall with a fall style hairstyle. If you want to receive these extensions with 10% off, make sure to use the code EmilyKiki and you can get 10% off of your purchase. I do want to point out that number one, my hair color right now does not 100% match it. I did get my hair done yesterday. I got some lowlights in it as well as some highlights, and I personally think that it turned out a little bit darker than I intended. So you're going to see some of those dark pieces come through, and probably while I'm doing the braid. So typically my hair does usually match these extensions when it's completely blonde, but those lowlights, they really darkened my hair this time. So just a quick note on that. And number two, I am using the shade in their Vanilla Blonde. I did get them cut and angled to make my short, thick hair blend in well. So if you do want to have some help getting your extensions to blend in with your normal hair, make sure to take them to somebody who knows what they're doing, knows how to blend extensions, and you should be good to go. I'm starting off with my hair parted to one side for this look. If you do have short little strands like me, because you guys know my hair is about this long, I do just kind of bobby pin them to the side so that it's all safe, like right here while I'm working, so that nothing falls and it's really easy. So you are going to start with your hair parted to one side. I like to favor the side where more hair is due, so whatever has the heavier parted side, that's kind of the way that I like to do my braids. You can do it however you want, but that's just typically how I do mine. So in order to do a fishtail braid, you're just going to separate your hair into two equal sections. Make sure they feel thick enough on both sides. So just like that. Normally a regular braid's gonna have 3 sections, but fishtail braids, they only have 2. What you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of hair. Make sure to take small sections. The larger the section, the larger the fish braid. I like to do a really intense, like skinny fish braid and then pull it apart at the end. So we're going to take small sections, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the outermost section on one side. So this is section 1 and this is section 2 to make it easy. You're going to take a small section on the outermost edge, and you're going to cross it over section 1 and pull it in to section 2. So just like that, you can see. Now what you're going to do is take the outermost section on section 2. I'm going to make sure that there's a good extension in there so that it's long enough to work through. That should be good. Keeping that piece over there, we're going to cross our hair. And now we're going to add that section to section 1. So now we have a cross going on, just like that. And we're just going to do the same thing again. Take a section from section 1, cross it over to section 2, and I always make sure to tighten it because we want this braid to be really tight. Now again, I'm going to go grab a piece from section 2 and cross it over to section 1. And you're literally going to do this all the way down, making sure that you're taking small sections. I'm gonna come closer just to show you how it's looking so far. You're just gonna keep bringing pieces over, small little sections, and crossing it and adding it to the opposite side. Always make sure to take a piece of hair that's on the outer side and crossing it over that section. So again, I'm just taking a section from the opposite side and adding it to the opposite section. So simple. It does take a little bit of practice, I feel like, but once you get the hang of it, you should be doing this in no time. so now we're getting down to the end bit. I'm gonna take a clear elastic, but you could also take a thinner ponytail that is close to your hair color. I just like the clear elastic because you literally just cannot see it in the hair. But if your hair is too thick or these don't work for you, feel free to use like a little ponytail. So I'm gonna leave about that much out because now is the time where you could, if you want, leave the braid like that. I personally, however, love the way it looks when you pull out some pieces. So in order to pull apart a braid, all you're going to do is just start kind of pulling the edges just bit by bit. It makes it messier, a lot more boho looking, and you just pull it by the edges, and that's how you get it to look like really full and mermaid-like and pretty. I'm gonna be careful not to pull too much at the top because my hair is only about like this long and it's probably up to here with the braids. So that's pretty full to me. Ooh, that's so pretty. And now what I wanna do is just grab like a couple pieces to face frame my hair. Maybe take some side pieces, that's totally up to you. You can leave them straight, you can curl them. I don't like to take too much out, just like, you know, enough to have that. So you could totally leave this braid like that, so beautiful, but I like to top it off with a fall hat. I just think it brings the whole look together. It looks so festive. So here is the fall hat that I chose to wear for this. Love that. Oh my gosh, it's just getting like so real. It feels very fall and festive like. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I know you probably saw me go from this top to my t-shirt to this top again. I'm filming this after doing the tutorial, obviously. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching hair tutorials like this one, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It would make me so very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.